Get from ghetto, you move around town, you go they follow, they do, follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer, you rugged the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live as a black girl? You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer, you rugged the ghetto. It's a rugality, it's a highness. Misbehaving is a confidence. Follow show is a greatness. Oh Lord of mercy. Totally she can't repent to. She don't come repent to. Everybody now they call it fate to. They call it fate to. So get it back there.
Production. This is a Maroon Rhythms production.
Rugged get from ghetto, you move around town, you go they follow, they do, follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer, you rugged the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live as a black girl? You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer, you rugged the ghetto. It's a rugality, it's a highness. Misbehaving is a confidence. Follow show is a greatness. Oh Lord of mercy. Totally she can't repent to. She don't come repent to. Everybody now they call it fate to. They call it fate to. So get it back.
This is a Maroon Rhythms production.
Rugged get from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do, follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer, you rugged the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live as a black girl? You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer, you rugged the ghetto. It's a rugality, it's a highness. Misbehaving is a confidence. It's a greatness. Oh Lord of mercy. Totally she can't repent to. She don't come repent to. Everybody now they call me fake to. They call me fake to. So get it back there.
What is it? I'm not doing like. Oh my God. Which can take you on this one? You don't see best pass me for this too. No, you listen me now. What happened?
This is a Maroon Rhythms
I'm not clear
production.
way. You clear. Listen me say. Give me drink. You don't understand, Sha. You don't understand. Now you this. Mama. More. Cup not there. Cup dinner. You give me cup. Me first say. Let us check my mouth. You just say they okay so. I do okay, but not be like that. Not be like that. Oh, I will do okay very, very soon, but not be now. I will do okay. Me? Oh, now me, This body, no, not a man. Sweet girl, sweet babe. For this time, you never see anything. As my hair, they would go. Oh, brother. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah. Mama, never see the call. You don't do. See this baby. What did they talk? Mama. Hear me. What did they happen? Mama. Take it. Open her. No worry. No, you don't do. Mama. Okay. Me. The people I say myself go wait. Mama. What did happen? One street boy. What did you do? One street girl. They use me. They learn. You dey crazy chop me. They use me. They learn. For this area. The time says I got a trish. Hey. Me self can't die. When your body to the hot. I said I want to. In fact, I wanted the girl. The girl said, he said not still do one. She can't see that one. Yeah, maybe the person. You know now, that junction, that area, that you show that place.
Yeah, I that stupid boy now.
I mean, you know now. Now we say they come here now. We say they stammer as small with they, you know. Chief, that boy we say they talk. Yeah, the wife small.
No worry.
Calm down.
My mama said I've been I
the manager before.
Oh yeah, wait, because
he's fine. Because he also fine. Don't do what he gets for.
He don't do consider.
Mama,
babe, take a miss you. Not be water you dey drink oh.
I know, Mama. This one not really. You better go with this one first, Mama.
Babe, calm down. See, wait.
Mama,
wait. Wait, may I tell you, You wait to see for here, so
Mama.
Calm down. See, me, nobody for this area, for this zanga, so when you don't know me. Now me be stone. I don't complete too. I owe everywhere ransom. You get? But all those things, no gain. Before I come even see one bobo that come manage me, come show me love. Wait, calm down. They talk to you. Oh, calm down. See. Okay, wait. Drink small. I want to tell you one story. Very important, so that you will tell them. Hey, this one way they do, so you don't understand. Now, so the story takes that.
I don't beg.
Don't
get before. Since you know me.
You don't do see. May I tell you one story? Very important. How far, babe? Anna, then.
Coast Claire.
I mean, call for this meeting because as I believe as two or four of us sit down, so you people go they wonder somehow say everything they happen.
Exactly.
Most especially you.
Me.
And now because of your friend, because now bestie, now be.
Okay.
Now they look each other. See you.
Now so they be, now so they are to be. Their mind don't they judge them now. See, hey madam, waiting I want talk now because of this your bestie. Two of now just the waka for nothing. You know they follow and talk. As you know they follow and talk, you know she just live the life the way she wants.
Mama, relax, babe, relax.
This kind mama.
Talk.
This kind mama. See, I just pity two of now.
Okay, that's all you don't do. What happen?
You talk also Sabina, we should not be meet you.
Why you come? Why you come me for here?
You won't beat me.
Talk now one sorry, I don't understand. Why you call us? The matter too the long.
Okay,
why you call us?
Let me go.
Relax me and face them.
Oh yeah, I trust you.
Madam.
Go.
You say what face us?
I face two of una. And you know say I two of una. For guys una chest say una fat. I think I do two of una. You wait dey look at Kati mama stone abi which kind stone you be. I don't know whether na also rock stone. I don't know which one you be. If you know the latest in town now, this your shoulder wey dey raise up and down for street. If they don't burn am for you, you'll be like bed wey rain beat. They talk.
Okay, if you like say, see this talk.
Wait. No,
let's go like that.
Talk nonsense.
Wait, I know say na nonsense.
Wait,
and the way that our mother, our grandpa they talk, they say truth is bitter. No, it's a bit sin. Oh, see, all of us carry drink. None of us don't drink.
I bet, many talk too much.
Let's talk. Which one, see, they go. The way they live your life no good. Change.
I bet, babe, you relax. Never face you. You relax. Wait, now they always they do like so una too holy.
No, we
and they do holy. Guy, me I don't go.
If you want change for this your lifestyle, no one for this one don't blow your head though. Not trying out.
Mona relax. How do you
sit there. Yeah. Say how they be like a Greek flower.
Yeah, we know all Luna. Mona join us. We know all Luna.
Bella.
Now we use the do like what I know.
Bella.
Not to relax. Not to
remember Omo.
You know these people.
No for
very idiotic people. In fact, me and them no be friends again. Mona do na I beg.
You won't follow them?
I don't go.
Hey, God. Have mercy. I just get four or five friends. None of them get it. Now do well.
You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You already the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live? As a black girl. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar.
Get mad.
You feel like you never get the test.
Forget it.
I'll test you. Who you be?
You?
Who
you be? Test me.
Oh, they one side. Now all this lecture, now this cigar. After this one, I go go carry person boyfriend. Come down from here. If you don't hear of don't wait, come out, you don't go school, you don't come back. All this is show that that one that they fly, they go to break out for them. As we say, I dey advise now.
As a black girl. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You already the ghetto. It's a rogality, it's a highness. Misbehaving, it's a confidence. Over show, it's a greatness. Oh Lord of mercy. Totally she can't repent to. She don't call repent to. Everybody now they call it fate to. They call it fate to. Don't get it bad again.
This is a Maroon Rhythms production.
Get that from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You already the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live? As a black girl. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You already the ghetto. It's a rogality, it's a highness. Misbehaving, it's a confidence. Over show, it's a greatness. Oh Lord of mercy. Totally she can't repent to. She don't call repent to. Everybody now they call it fate to. They call it fate to.
Abeg, give me, because I just need to drink. Abeg.
Take am easy, oh.
Give me drink.
All those guys too small. Take am easy. You know, say you na my queen now.
Me. Na so e be, sha. Na so e be, sha. I know, I understand.
Babe, you know, say me like you, sha.
Ah, you be my babe now.
Forget that one. I don't say I be your babe. You supposed to know where they talk, they go. You know, so those guys, me no want me they go. If guy you talk to you for street, you know, see the way me tell they tell the ass. You know they see her. That's to show say me I don't like her. Don't show me you the wrong things.
Babe, I don't understand you. What did you talk?
Me na your girl.
Babe, who said you dey go?
Left hand there. You know the story.
Babe, see, I know what man not pretend say I know hear what you talk. That's in our scene. Yes, you know why be seen. Man, tell you know why be seen because see, if your sister now, if you born, who you want to send a message?
Forget it.
No
let go. Who be clear? Who here? Babe, forget that one. Me just like you. I dey tell you I like you.
Babe, I don't get what I want to tell you. You know that matter. What you dey do, you know?
Babe, I beg. I like
that
you.
matter.
Give me the chance.
I beg. Can't babe doesn't message you. I swear. He said me I fall inside.
I believe that girl. You give me the chance.
Say babe, no for they suffocate me for years. See this babe. Oh yeah, now where would they go? See, okay, don't worry.
If we go there after there, we go
see no level, no level, no sugar.
Go first. After
no level
that,
because me, I like to do. I don't like to do woman like me. You get? I dey tell you.
That one is sweet pass so.
Forget. Carry your drink for inside bag. I don't want drink again.
You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You already the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live? As a bad girl.
The way my boyfriend they do me, I don't just understand that at all. It's like they hear different things. And in relationship, you have to get trust. You don't trust me again, it don't change totally. Maybe sometimes two of us go to bed, I will touch him like this, just come on my hand. Just I don't tire. Even to the extent I even call my sister. I explain everything to my sister. Now on the time you say I get patient. Now patient now they do all those things. Me don't tire. If you continue like this, I'm not sure. See, I will move on with the relationship again. I don't tire.
You don't mean it.
I tire. Even I don't even message Bella and Stone. I don't message that. Maybe if they come, you see them get their gaga too much. Maybe and sometimes when they do gaga, see they get sense small.
Yeah.
Maybe they will still give me one or two. That is why I call you people to come.
So you don't call them one-on-one, sit them down as in.
How many times? How many times? Yeah, you know our boys now. If they don't see another babe, the way they do. Now waiting me the reason for my mind be that way.
You don't feel that, but this one now your own man. You don't feel they do all those kinds. As in follow and reason one or two things. Now your husband.
You think so?
Just try tell her what they go on. My husband, my love, my darling, what is going on? Just try.
I don't know. You know their hands for now. Maybe if you come back, I will still try my best.
Just try.
It's like a person. Bella.
Baby, what's up now? What did they saw? Because of that message, what did they happen now? What did they saw? So you just there, you don't they call everybody. After when Bella, I even they ask of Bella say.
Where Bella? No be you and Bella supposed to.
I tell you, Bella make me vex. But me first talk your what is up now? Because of that your bobo abi. Man, don't go there show that your bobo my color. What did they worry? I bet me forget Bella. Me talk the one when bring me phone. I see your message. You don't even understand though.
Oh, later, before everything. What you want to drink?
After anything as usual. Hey! Where you go? What did they happen? I bury a person there. Wait, don't off.
Don't make this play warm now.
I know they like that kind of thing. Which kind of sense be this one? Baby, feel like say your hair correct. Sometimes your hair they correct.
I know you now.
See, I see your this thing just a fuck up. Now that even the on. Sava. But I wish I don't call if I don't give.
We all the talk.
Meaning the thing there is stronger.
Easy. I know.
See, girl, not be me cause the one when you do your
easy. Wait till happen. Why you say come meet person they just the oppress am for here. Take am easy.
Ava, what do you want here so? You know the drink.
I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood at all.
Ava, what did they do this baby? Not be too no picking not there here, move ahead. And so you serious?
I don't want their noise, please.
Hey, Luan, I not be your room. See me, I bet Luan, I not be your room. I bet go now your roof and the play. Go Luan.
No, what's me? What's the
I want you around. What is up?
I don't tire for my guy.
What do you have now?
It's like don't see one baby where that you don't they work out those things. And I know you, I know say you and Bella they outside very so I won't hear full details, I won't hear more information.
And what do you do now? What do you do? See,
you don't change. You don't really change,
leave one for me now. I'll put it down.
You sure?
I will.
But I know you will put it down. That eye may be normal eye.
Make put it down.
Don't I know you.
Before you put it down, make call am one-on-one, sit am down, ask some questions.
You get sense. You why you dey accuse me now? Wetin dey worry you sef?
I know they accuse you because I just know you. The next thing now, okay, first you call any settle matter. You the next thing na to bring the matter I again. Why they do me something? But I still love him.
So you understand? I'm not dey sell it for you.
No matter how say wetin dey try dey.
Okay, why you call me?
Wait, wetin dey try yarn you now say if you see am make you call am reason with am. As in the reason why you say make you reason with am, may not come be say you come put am for your own pocket. Na you wetin dey try dey yarn you.
Okay, wait oh, na so I just come be. Wetin dey quarrel now?
Stone, I know you. You don't say now.
Okay, I'll reason with her, my guy.
After that reason, you see me pull her for gun.
You want to know that baby?
It's like I don't say reason.
You sure that your guy said? I don't fit trust her.
Why?
I don't fit trust that guy, Sha.
Wetin happen?
Anyway, how far waiting?
Suspect you.
No, the praise. Come on, why I better drink you? Why you
don't come? Give me 5. I trust
no,
you.
I'll check out.
Wetin come dey happen between you and Bella now?
Bella saying they like me. And they tell you not
to dey praise. Which kind of
you see why I pursue Abi?
Like you onto wetin?
Onto
onto bed level.
I dey tell you I
see if na that one, if maybe na this one go cut our friendship.
I tell you.
That one be still be that one na what be now.
No my baby oh.
I don't know na two matter they no dey talk.
See, no talk for them, but they no dey talk like this. So
This is a Maroon Weddings production.
Rock get back from ghetto.
Now that. Who's there? Come inside. I'm not locked down.
Hey, bro. Take her. Come on, see your enjoyment. So now let me come. Now let me follow come.
Like seriously?
May I join you flex now?
This why you come out today like your friend not there around. You can't greet me.
I'm not going to greet you. I don't see you.
What's the way this happen?
I don't see stuff now.
I hope to say peace there.
Peace there, bro. I greet you. Bros. First, because now serious, sorry, now serious one can make me converse.
Serious matter.
I dey tell you.
But person don't die, sha.
No, nobody die. Nobody die.
Wetin go sort? I might just drink up me John, you know understand.
Bros, I don't repent. I don't drink one. I need water if you want to give me something.
Water.
Life, only water. You know, no, see, truth I don't dey.
Stone.
I need water.
Wow, I dey fear your visit now.
Sorry.
How far? How things now?
Let's go though, bro. What's up now? Aja, bros.
What day?
Oh, but since you come for school, I don't dey fear you. Your way not clear again.
That's cool. Not be where person will go, come back, come see the.
Yeah, we go generation nowhere.
No, nothing play. Just that same. You must. That person must get sense now. You know.
I beg. Before not too much talk, time don't dey go. You know, say na time till they check time.
I know.
Your babe, she complained to me. You understand?
My woman.
Yes, na Alpha, your chikala na Jennifer. He tell me just the para, just this sad. I even tell one big day, you come your test me and they tell me
See, it's tough. Man, don't make you talk too much. You don't understand. You see that your friend, you don't say when I'm there, you understand. But these days, me I'm not to understand her ways. You understand? I dey make her understand. Say, me see. As she dey say me, she don't understand. Now she cause her. Because her way not clear to me again. You don't understand? So normally, just forget her matter. You should not dey. Now what you will see some last. You don't understand? What she say?
boss.
You know me now.
Okay, I don't understand you.
Baby, so see, just forget how you do your friend matter. I'll fix her, you know understand?
Boss, but last, I better try, make things dey okay. make things be real, you get, because I don't like the woman wey be say she can't do herself. But yeah, wait though, you look good though.
Like,
You fresh like today bread. And they tell you, they tell you.
nah, the matter you come for a beer.
Bros, all of the joy, all of them are the same now. And you fresh like today bread.
I don't understand.
I tell you.
Honey,
Yeah,
where are you going to?
I'm going out. I want to see a friend.
Friend?
Yeah? Any problem?
Yes.
What is it?
I have something to tell you.
Now or when I come back?
No. It's very important.
Please, make it snappy, huh?
Okay.
Don't have time.
No, I won't take much of your time.
Yeah, no, tell me, what is up?
Honey,
Yeah.
it will be a while now. I'll be watching your character towards me, your attitude, everything. It's just change.
See, me I not change for any way. Now you the cause the stress when
Honey,
they get.
you change.
I not change because I can imagine woman when me I get for house. You know they allow me drink put up for ground. Any small thing you go don't pick up and don't begin now the complain.
No, now it's love now.
Love, I love you. I tell you say I love you. Me say man will put one leg for fire.
No, now because nowadays, if time I make food for you, even when we were sleeping, I even touch you come on my hand.
Because I don't in the mood now. You know if you force us to river now, I may go drink water now.
Please.
See the code there. Ma tell you Jennifer. Normally, me I appreciate you. You know I say I too get the feeling, but you they cause the issue they go hard. Even wait, you even come out go report our own matter for us. Give Stone your friend. Why?
Just that you know Stone now, and she's my friend, and I understand she's doing she know many things.
Okay, wait. They ask you now. Which kind of advice that one will come give me? Don't be Stone.
Okay. Anyway, I'm sorry for that.
You guys carry use your mouth to narrate yourself to
I'm
tell
sorry,
people what's in the software as.
I'm sorry.
No, Allah, you
I love
just
you so much, and
I know me.
I don't want to lose it for any woman at all.
I understand. It's okay.
Please,
I
if
understand.
I offended you anyway, forgive me, please.
No, Allah, you understand.
Are you
See,
sure?
I just don't calm. I don't calm down for what the substance. Understand? What me I will tell you, be say, man, stop to the monitor my movement. They monitor me like say I be small picking. Huh? Leave me man do my things my own way, understand? Don't worry, I will fall in the right track at the right time. Okay?
Alright.
No problem.
You're
man.
forgiving me now.
Of course.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you're my baby and my
That's my
sweetheart.
love.
My
Thank you,
darling.
dear.
No shaking, man.
Thanks so much. And when are you coming back?
So, me I want to go see my friend. I'll be coming back soon. Yeah. Make any food if I come and chop, man.
Alright then. Thanks so much. Honey, again.
You know what they call me?
Almost Sabi. Again.
See, this one, now my friend, girlfriend. See, man, go where they go, Joe.
Today na today. No.
What?
Today.
What? See, now what's not they talk about with this? Your trouble in these days don't they too high.
Anything you like, you talk. You know concern me. Today.
Shit, man, no mash you.
Sit down.
I go mash you pass.
Oh yeah now. Oh yeah. That's Asha Ogabi.
See, Jenny, ma, tell you something.
Leave me.
No, if I come, I explain, give you. Okay?
Go where? You are going out.
Yes, no, ma.
You want to go now?
I'm going now.
You are going. Oh yeah now.
Come on, there.
Leave me, John.
Now so you want time. No problem. I didn't say it.
Oh yeah.
This is a Maroon Weddings production.
Rugged from ghetto. You You move around town, you go they follow, they do, follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer.
See, this one they see for the street. Tell me, see, you give account to. Tell me who they run the street right now. On my behalf, for this motor they come, not for road. For this car.
Not be there. See, no. Come on, small wickets now when you run the street. Small girl like that, you don't fall out from nowhere like Jackie Chan. You won't call your face sometimes. Wow, when they use Toto, don't consider they suffocate me, boy.
Like this, so he gets squad.
He gets squad, you see squad there.
Rugged get from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do, follow show. You know the ghetto, you carry caterpillar, you do business dealer. You rugged in the ghetto. Is that the kind of?
Have you said that you do? What do you have to know? Apart, not a politics member.
That can't be. You know the talk, not God is all. Come, but that is.
I'm sorry, wait, make them like Moses. Have we run this street? Who know you? Who know me? Who know you for the street? Who know you for the street? You're not going to follow school for the whole ground for this town and this?
Maybe that is small, okay, when they lead the up and down like foul. Then they talk so.
Shoot there, the mama fly. Uncle Wilson, no wahala, we go jam.
No, they yasso.
Go jam. Who they yarn?
It's not big dog. When we talk.
Your gas will now have it. Apa, I'm on the move. Who do you think myself?
Lever, I'll get that.
I'm going to run now.
John, John, free me, you'll get that.
That's the one thing I don't that will be. Forget that thing. I mean, what is that? Forget that thing.
Relax. You'll get that.
Who's doing for this area?
Hey, I swear, I'll bring that down.
See me see wahala. Hey, hold me. No one shall man. So for this, you're not going to. You say that you're not going to follow some of the whole ground for this girl. Guy, don't worry. You go hear this call.
Hey, I bet you throw away this thing.
Wait, you can't fuck off. It isn't a cigar. No money to the bag book. Wait, man, I'll draw only one. Can't fuck off.
Who say you Igbo? Who Igbo help? See how your life can't just be. Babe, I bet throw away this thing.
For real?
Yes, now.
Now my money is just a match like that. Babe,
I send you message.
Carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You rugged in the ghetto. It's a ruggedity.
Mama Sto, what's the way? Mama Sto, see the stuff now.
what's happening?
Tell me they carry everything. They carry.
Yeah, when they come, see, wait, see, shift you. What's happening? Why you they come my house like that? You know, alert me.
I'm not going to push me go back now.
I know they like that kind of thing.
Mama Sto, see, this is not the. You just can't use when I get the time.
Who be that? Who they hear from the street? What's happening?
Yes, now they hear some whistle.
They say what's happening?
They know and they hear the thing from my ear. You know, understand?
Who be that?
But for this town.
God, we don't fit talk this thing. See, I say I dey go my cabin. I want go small.
Let's see the apple now. You want to push me for your house?
No, they throw my property. They go. Follow me if you want to talk to me. You know, say I don't together.
Mama Sto, me you calm down. I can't give you. I can't hear you story.
Because supposed to call me before you enter my cabin.
I don't call you since then. Where your phone now? Your phone every day with you. I know they call you since. You see now?
I'm not going to talk. Now
Yeah, see your Zanga mama.
so.
Oh, lady Naisha.
No, that's not. That can't see. I tell you.
Mama Sto, you know, based on the matter.
See again, the streets, not for the run of those things. I tell you, see
that guy. See that guy. Don't know me for come. You know the time is the one person to come. I
think the one for this come, who that? I don't know.
they call them. They just they have a street to believe me.
You mean that?
I just dey come. I say I see the two just.
Tell me yourself.
And I just turn and they begin to talk about stone. I say, all these guys, they don't know what they do. Now come stone say, how far? Let me move, let me not move. Now you go, you move.
For this.
Man, so fair I can't for me, no fair. You know now.
You mean
I call it a joke. Why matter big? So why you also dey now? Me I don't want for that guy. Me I don't want to dey.
Who be that guy?
I know as I know me that.
You don't know his name at all.
I never see that guy before. I don't want the try my figure his face.
For this street.
I don't try my figure that guy face.
But it is so. You say now wetin dey happen.
But the guy one small, the one guy when they follow the worker. Because I never see that guy before. That guy also good on him. I don't see that guy before.
Name of this guy wey dey yarn.
This guy. I call the
Lagboja.
Lagbofi.
Abi Lagboja. That guy wey go school. You see a warrior.
Now that guy.
You wan go back to school.
I hear that the guy.
Who's that go back?
I don't even know. I just see him. Guy. What they call them? AJ. I don't know.
AJ, that's that boy.
Now the front line they got a day. I see them. You know now.
Yeah, see one star for the streets now. For one star, you want to go back to jail.
Me just like you cause the mission with the stone. I say,
you mean?
Nah, man, you don't need the first one. Now look
Me.
You guys don't be this person. You be this one. That's Abba. I did it for the streets. I can tell me say man. After me move, that's me move for this town again. He said me move, yeah, this one person I clout to, he said man, want to remove level.
So this level not there with you.
You know say me I go, you know say me na be gentle boy now.
Guy, I try to tell you, see, not the listen yourself, guy.
Yeah, you.
Chua. Now I dare your back. Nothing is soft.
You like I say man. After the next thing the AJ I been waiting the fucking there, I don't care about it. They remove cap on my head, now I say yee.
For streets. They don't know you be. See these guys.
I see you me. The Lagofia, what did they call her? Now I'm telling you, me move. No, that thing remember I don't know say man, nobody stone go here. He say man, fuck, he say fuck me, fuck stone. I say, who know this? Nothing will come out.
That guy.
I did.
I go jump.
Rock get there from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do, follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer.
Get what? So what's this so for the Josh show? And agent, see like this one, like this one, go to this because I go to know see, I don't know where this is. You go to school. Anybody else go to school?
Totally she don't depend to. She don't depend to. Now they call me fake too.
I know that we don't
give me more. Let's get this.
This is a Maroon Rhythms production.
This time around, it's a big T.
The dog that might be here.
Since I go to come back, I don't like the way I see you. AJ!
No! See
your shit on my car. You ain't get AJ!
Oh, you know, say, at the time they remove you, pop up on the poster here. I need to let go, you know what I'm saying? Oh, man, when they see all of us, it means all the me go yarn about this street they go. In the meantime, see this door here. Me just strike on the yesterday. I go through one stone. Now this one they fall out. Until boss me be. As the man regarding this one, maybe just the bless her for me. There's a boss there.
AJ!
Very grateful for this one. Now it's not. Because everything they know, they will know what. This one first. You actually put onto the dawn.
Boy is always a boy.
I say that again.
You have been so good to me. No matter how it is, the sun will always locate the weather space.
I truly love
I'm always the boss. I thank God for your life, yeah? At least, just take catch up on the street.
No.
That's the way it is. AJ!
The dawn.
AJ!
Dawn.
AJ!
Dawn.
Ogbongbera!
Dawn.
A good fellow is always a good boy.
No, not so. You know, you're shopping everything. You need to stay blessed of what is something. No, that's not. No, that's too rugged. This thing come outside there. Don't be child. Let me see them with some. The boy is always a boy. I know you're a boy.
AJ, this way, it's like you don't take my client over from me, I mean.
No, how can you take your clients?
AJ!
No.
Wait. Okay, I don't know if you're being explained. Note that AJ, I have changed. That's good boy me.
I concur.
I said that's good boy me. AJ, say me no.
No,
that's good boy me.
Girl, how far now?
I do.
What is so between you and your guy?
I just tired for that guy.
And you no even see person go tell. You can't say na stone you want tell me give you advice. Like which kind of advice that I
don't tell am finish before I come dey regret. But wetin make me tell am say you know say stone na my boyfriend dey close somehow. So na that one cause am stone na this area guest, so go still know many things because I dey think maybe my guy dey see another girl. So na that one make me call stone. Okay, oh, see. Let me pull out for ground. I wan know the girl. I wan know maybe na wetin I think. I don't know. I don't tell am finish before I regret.
stone wey you and me know. Out of 4 of us, you no see anybody tell me give you better advice. Sound one for that matter. Okay. Because say na stone wey be say our way no clear.
Okay now.
I don't love that your boyfriend.
I love her.
You know,
I still love the guy. But that is why I just dey reason. I just dey tell many people. Even this person even blame me. Blessing even blame me. Say I for no tell.
See the 2 people when you even go dey tell.
Blessing be still dey okay now. Blessing na single mother and she concentrate on her business.
Rock get from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You rugged the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live? I say bad girl. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You rugged the ghetto. It's a ruggedity, it's a highness. Misbehaving is a confidence. Photo show is a greatness. Oh Lord of mercy. Totally she can't repent. She don't come repent. Everybody now they call it fate. They call it fate. So get it back again. Rock get from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry.
Yeah, what? Waiting. In my muting. Relax, see.
Bella, what's the worry you? I didn't say you didn't sleep.
Yeah. I know if you sleep now, Shu, because I dey expect you will come join me, but me I know if you sleep, that's why I come here.
Bella, then the water you shit.
Call me! Beg you, this girl self. See, I will take that thing by force. Don't worry, I will take it.
Hey, I want to go my house, Jerry.
No banana you come.
And I come, I don't invest for this matter when I just
now.
It don't do. Next time we go talk about this issue.
God, I won't go make my head. So let me just pick my
I better hurry up, Jerry.
Waiting now. You don't start your own. I bet no vest. Yeah.
My short girl like you.
No vest.
They test on your own relationship.
No vest now.
This is a Maroon Rhythms production.
Rugged get from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You rugged in the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live? I say bad girl. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You rugged in the ghetto. It's a ruggedity, it's a highness. Misbehaving is a confidence. Follow show is a greatness. Oh Lord of mercy. Totally she can't repent to. She don't can't repent to. Everybody now they call it fate to. They call it fate to. Don't get it bad again.
This is a Maroon Rhythms production.
I tell you that time, I will travel very soon.
Travel?
I want to go see my friend in Berlin.
When?
Maybe 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time.
Yeah.
Friend, boy or girl?
Your question, it's not a dumb question I'm waiting.
Hey, no, not damn because I trust him now.
Boy.
Boy. I know the boy before. Did I know that person before?
I'm not sure.
But baby, I know all your friends. I know all your friends.
I don't know all of them. Some do, you don't know.
Yeah. Okay. And if you go, when are you coming back?
Maybe I'll spend like 3 days or 4, you know, something like this.
3 days or 4. Okay. No problem. I don't trust him.
You don't trust me, what? Trust me, you better trust me. Don't worry, no fear. You know, man, my sweetheart.
Okay. Hold on there. Let's see, who is this?
What is that? What is it? What is it?
Not again.
Not what? Bella, yeah,
my friend.
Bella by name. Friend to Stone.
Friend to Stone, and my friend too.
This is nothing, just a picture. Besides, who sent you this?
Don't worry, what are you doing with
We don't have anything together. There was, listen, see. Let me listen.
Rugged get from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You rugged in the ghetto.
You know it's not my small, leave this. My cheche. Bro, what about
You don't look bad at all.
no matter, I'll check them out.
Hi. My name is Ken.
I know you be.
Nice to meet you.
Good day. So bro, what's the level? What's your location?
Now I want to go watch match.
Bros.
You don't understand.
My phone. I think yeah, bros.
I'm not shaking you.
Yeah, I think
Man, you're not looking bad at all.
So how are you doing?
No, I'm okay. Do you live around or what? You live in this city?
No.
Where do you live?
I live in, let me just say 45 minutes.
From there? Oh, not far. Everywhere good. Is it possible to be a friend? Like one-on-one friend, you understand that?
I don't like guys.
Seriously? Okay. Let's check it out.
Alright. Take care. Yeah.
You say hello to Stone, eh?
Alright.
Yeah, you take care.
Okay. Stone, what's up? Nancy, they do now. They hate.
What did that guy talk? You don't move out.
Forget that guy.
The thing here.
You know me now. You know, say I know they do that level. Forget him.
Where they go? The way don't clear.
Walking down the street, I saw Bella on this place. I want to say hi.
Never.
See,
Why?
listen, I don't have anything with her. Believe me. I only say hi to her. It's Stone, your friend.
It is a crime. Why now? All the time. Eh?
Baby, see, this one is set up. It's a setup.
I beg, this kind of set up.
I don't have anything with her now. Believe me. It's only how I said to this girl. Me, I don't have anything with her. So they set me up for waiting.
See. Let me ask you something. Why they say each time we just stay together, we want to enjoy.
See, let me tell you.
I don't even know what to do again.
I think your friend want to set me up. This one, I always say hi to her. I miss her with Stone.
See, let me tell you something. Right from now henceforth, I don't want to see you with any of my friends again.
Fine.
Anyone. Both Stone, both the Bella. What?
But I don't have anything with your friends. I'm only just saying hi. But just hi I said to this girl. I don't have anything with her.
Just stay your lane, okay?
Stop now.
I beg, see me.
So Stone, they want to try me and be with it.
This is a Maroon Weddings production.
Rugged girl from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You rugged in the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live? As a black girl. You know the ghetto.
I want to see you again since that day.
My brother, the level never solved. That's why I never hear from me in this time. I go always call. You never download now. You just track Z.
You sure say na the truth na you dey tell me so?
You don't believe me again.
See, this one a game. You don't believe any person for any game at all.
I know, but not be today me they run with the strike Z. It never solve. If it solve, I go contact you. That one I sure.
See, me I trust say that thing. Me believe say or back.
If na my prayer be that, you understand. If it solve, sure. You go be the first person me I go put on.
Okay, so far not be lie you they tell me.
Not be lie, bro.
I told him, man. Maybe I call you here.
My brother, my I go to no mag bad to you.
All right, I want to go see somebody. I don't get a
no shaking.
Me go see somebody like that.
No, I'll call you.
I beg,
I'll call you.
You rugged in the ghetto. It's a ruggedity, it's a highness. Misbehaving, it's a confidence. Polo show, it's a greatness. Oh Lord of mercy. Totally she can't repent to. She don't come repent to. Everybody now they call you repent to.
Say everything. My tongue I go say fuck you. Man, this is money. Busy. I've always tell her say man nothing soft. Don't understand.
This is a Maroon Weddings production.
Let's go. I need to rush out. This one I just say. We can't fix and I will take Man, shake my body small.
You do business dealer. You already the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live? As a black girl. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar. You the do business dealer. You already the ghetto. It's a rogality, it's a highness. Misbehaving, it's a confidence. It's a greatness. Oh Lord of mercy, totally she call it Pento. She don't call it Pento. Everybody now they call it Pento. They call it Pento. Don't get it back there.
Let's go, man. That's fast. Let's not talk this thing.
This is a
quiet. Don't say I'm free. Understand? Completely set me up. Huh? For me and my girlfriend. And now I get joy. Don't cause trouble for my house. See, I want to make you understand what matter. Better go back to the grace and talk.
Guy, you relax now. You want it now. What what's they worry you? You high. Look, free this guy. Even I say this guy has you. I don't get joy this afternoon. They hear this. Yes.
Shift and they talk to Stone. Well, before that, I come here for one. You tell my girlfriend how you said apologize to her at the same time. Yes, if I come back, can't tell you or repeat myself on this matter, right?
You get girlfriend, now you they make pure. Why you call them Yana Pata? I bet guy forget. See.
See, Grace, you know what they do this thing? You know what they're using?
I don't feel waste like granite for you. You know that? I don't feel waste time for you. Don't tell that nonsense again. I don't tell you.
Make a comeback with me.
Come on, they go. This guy knows it. Come on, they go.
I'll see you again. I'll fuck you up.
Today na your day. Don't worry, another day.
This is a Maroon Weddings production.
You won't get that from ghetto.
Alright, we don't did together last time. The way you play me, I don't understand that. I still give you another one again. We come for big money, but if you need to understand the
See the quote, Chakara. The fact they say, I first tell you for phone, say that business not click, not to download. So what do you say, man, do?
Let me tell you, my guy. What you do for this time? I can't have a face like this. They look you. You they progress every day. Every day they buy flashy car. And people they give you the dinner, you they double date the people. Okay, wait till me. I want to sell to my boys.
See, Shakara, me I know the because you. See, as you bring that D come, as I strike, it's not clear. I still tell you everything for phone. I tell you, see, go and we can get make sure say things work out. And you find the caution and everything.
See, may I tell you, you come meet people for this land. You don't come meet people for this show. Not be waiting you they talk so. You be like say you they preach. You be pastor, guy. See, waiting go good for you. I don't call you. Waiting you all good for you. You bring my check off for me. Me I know say that deal don't.
Nothing don't happen. I don't get share when I give you.
See,
you
come out.
Can't be say I give you bring your share.
I will tell you. This time you come with people. I will show you.
Chakara forget me.
Not bring my this take off for me.
Nothing they happen. I tell you say nothing stop. You see the raise where they vibrate.
I never see. Very soon I'll carry cocoa that time.
Me?
Yeah.
For this time?
Yeah.
No wahala. Anyhow you need that. Me I say I put ground.
Imagine.
What is it man? Do nothing don't happen. Nothing stop. I will put you. I beg bros. Which person serious? But wait to. If I say Shakarama don't know say me that day click. The way he just the caution now, me don't understand though. Man, and this guy know say that they swap. That guy, that one when they do anyhow. Me not carry my name go give them for village oh. Nothing they happen.
Misbehaving is a confidence. Photo show is a greatness. Oh Lord of mercy. Totally she can't repent. She can't repent.
I greet once again.
A long time.
Oh, well, not small thing.
So how the market now, guy?
Bro, we don't thank God.
Abi?
We bless God. What to do?
So now they run the market. That's why.
Yeah. Now waiting till the ground. Let me come so my brother.
Waiting be that. Waiting the ground.
I know me our brother Mr. Ken. Waiting till they do shit. I just listen for the rule. If I give up that time, you start this game. Say anything will happen. Who they let you know. This guy, I forgot that I felt that since now.
Why now? What happen?
I saw a message. The market come. First time he give me excuse. I cause okay because we. And if I'm the second one, big market come. I said when we go to the Varam, the guy just they tell me say na some motor come for road and enter bush.
For this Europe deny the fuck up. Why they do like that now?
Mr. Don see for waiting Shakara the yarn. Me and him, we are good for business. But the law will say the business don't come click. Something happen with business and nothing download. I will explain everything given. But in no one as in here, he tell me say business click, say me need just one of the person.
Guy, Ken, I hear about that business. Yeah? You know say nothing they go on for this town now when I don't know.
I know, that's why.
You deliver that business. Why you not want to settle now?
You know so.
Wait, ma tell you one thing for this business. This guy don't go jail now. You understand? I don't want to make the fuck up conference your side again. I don't like all those kind of things. If person send you message, you need to deliver.
See, Don, normally I suppose deliver on. But you know click. Ever come. As in even now like I guess him Papa not boss me. You understand?
Guy, if the town now still this street, when this enough my boys now this they run this thing now. If I don't tie you for here, if I not go, if I not come on for here. See, I don't need fuck up. I will tell you truth. If I show you all those kind of things, you suppose learn. Say this thing now, you go deliver for person when give you market. You dey hear me so? See, I don't need fuck up. You need to rub my together.
Thank you.
Settle now. Market is still there. I go still they give you the. Right, the fuck up. I don't like all those things.
I
You go try.
But himself, he know the as he blood to the heart.
Now money we dey talk so. I call you come kind bed. I call you train.
I don't want all this matter again. Need to settle now. Fine.
Yeah. They look me.
You hear me so?
See, now don't talk put You don't follow that happy. I just I for take up that time.
You don't go tell me anything. Nothing dey happen.
Shakara. No worry. As I don't talk this matter, I go settle you.
Don't. That's how they believe you. I don't believe you pass.
You hear me so?
No one like that.
Try it.
Last person dey your door.
This your leg. You never see finish.
The bullet when I collect for this leg, how be small thing.
The dog.
Hey, what's up?
I greet you, my brother. Longest time.
No see you, guy. You're welcome.
The door is you.
This your leg. You don't call a great Jamil if you do.
The dog. I don't even know, say, man, this man is a day your ass. Yeah? The dog. Can't don't do the constitute for the streets. Don't. I beg you, talk to Ken. Talk to Ken, no.
Relax first now.
You don't say I just come. I just come back.
Nah, don't ask you come. We need to relax. Don't worry, that matter. You go settle down, so you don't reach here. You understand? You need to take glass for there and enjoy yourself. Take glass.
AJ.
Dog.
You better tell this guy. You see how so many people they talk. Let me so.
Don't worry, I need to.
You like to new person to the clan.
As that matter reach here, I need to iron that issue quick. I don't need fuck up for my business. You understand?
Okay.
So, guy, you need to give us a little space because we need to
AJ.
some chance.
Me, you work on that. I'm agent. Boss.
Long life.
Don, you know, say I've told you before. Me, I get not on and off to run for street. I bet I will leave now because if I stay, I will miss my client for streets in this town. My local cash up.
But you need to change your.
I will change. No, I know you're change. So, Don, I'll call you now.
No,
I appreciate it. Do that.
Okay.
Chakara, this is your heart. Take click out now, man. Now go for ya.
Hello, bro. Hello.
No, don't move, eh?
No, but I will settle that issue.
No, so we are enter. You know how they be now. I will, you know.
Shakara.
Shakara, small.
Oh, man, Shakara. You see me for this judge of Shakara. You don't give me honor.
Yeah, you are the guy now who will believe for the ground now.
Shakara.
You are welcome.
I'm surprised to see you for this job.
Yeah, I will invite you for my house now.
Well,
Go eat now. Mr. Don, put the guy though, because me I don't get joy.
Small.
I don't get joy, as I tell you so.
No, I will settle that issue. I will settle that issue.
I tell you again.
Shakara made the move. Everywhere.
The baddest guy in the town. I hear your story now.
No, I'm back.
Yeah.
The Don.
The baddest guy in town.
The head of Ambalaba is not made for church play.
That's all.
The Don. I'm back to the jungle. I need some bail from you. Money's not the problem.
Oh, now, business is changing. Money for hand.
The Don, whatever it might takes, we pay cash.
Correct.
Basketball,
not the dwarf game.
No.
The dwarf game.
Come over. AJ Gag. The Don.
Yeah.
No time to waste. You know, every of my things we do fast. We do faster. So, you don't get heavy pass. Do you have anything?
Market day now.
Don't sample me.
Market day.
I don't be those men when they come cut shades.
Market day. Now money for hand, back for grand. Day now, guy. Now correct now, they give you now.
AJ!
No. You don't believe me again.
What is it? Give me.
Chelsea complete.
You don't.
Hey.
No matter what it takes.
The baddest guy in town. I believe you now.
We are always together.
Everywhere still.
So far.
So. Respect, don't. I believe you. So. The market will come like this everywhere go good.
Rugged guy from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do follow show. You not the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You rugged in the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live? As a bad girl. Oh yeah, you are. You not the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar.
Zuzu.
Honorable.
Long time, bro.
This is why you come my house. What is up?
Right, brother. I just pass around. Let's make I just check on you. Yeah, my God.
I'm very happy to see from us. You come my house today.
Makeno.
What is up today? Now? What happened?
Man, I just go see one of my guy for this corner here. And that's my I remember saying, "Mom, my man, they."
Because you, they don't see like this now.
My brother, artist.
Long time.
I greet you. Not be small thing. How work?
Man, we thank God. Everything is okay.
How you come fresh, my guy?
My brother, fresh care. You know the countryside now be now.
I no go no sha.
I must that job out the.
Man, we just bless God, man, bro. I just want to check on my guy and
I see.
Keno, you get one babe I see for this show area here. One black babe.
Babe?
Yes.
My brother, you relax first. Man, bring drink.
I trust you, my guy.
Come.
No shaking. I believe you, bro.
Peace, eh?
No wahala. I'm my babe.
Sure. It's my brother.
You are red one, eh? Not be small thing.
My brother, what to do now?
Red one, babe.
I'm already now.
Okay, melody.
What to do,
very
my
nice.
brother? That's one Italian.
Okay.
Italian white.
And it's very good for heart.
You know this time. How far, my brother? You say babe. Which babe is that? Women don't know for my area.
Black babe. You get no black. No to get height. The dread like man.
The girl as in
just gata.
You mean
gata.
Stone?
Maybe na
Stone.
You get the dread like man.
My brother, now one chance you enter. My brother, see, I go always give you the code that you take follow up. But the truth of the matter be say, that babe, she did smoke, she did drink, and she see the chop some kind of gas around. My brother.
But now Europe now, now, so anything, smoking is allowed now. If not smoking, talk about. I usually talk now, say this one. Me go try whether if I feel catch up with the baby, I will see whether I feel change your life around.
Brother, you should not do that, but as a brother, I go advise you, you not just involve yourself.
My brother, who no matter, I put my heart on you.
Since you say now your choice and what you want, you should not do. I'll tell you.
I better run out for me, my brother.
I'll do my best. No, my brother.
For long life and prosperity, bro.
You don't understand. As talker, this one you come my house today. I'm not saying that something carry you come.
You know, I know, you see the patch, but because I told the jacket the babe. Sometimes, they give me face. I don't want to try bracket and one-on-one and allow you escape me.
The babe, the thing you as the parrot me for a matter, be say. She say nothing, as in she be Odunga, oh, it be like Hercules.
You might say, my brother, might tell you. Keno, might tell you something. You know, say most girls with the from gangsters, deep down in their heart, they are very nice and pure. Those ones that behave, say they be holy people. When they behave holy, those are wicked pass. You understand? But I saw something in that girl.
No, brother. Nah, you know, man. You didn't say no what they talk about. No worry, I will see what you do. But last, if you get it, so no come anymore, no one here.
Yeah, which I call your name, put you give me connection with the chicken fire back. I call it with you. Now, waiting on give me night now, I will face it.
This should not be more live game, my
So, how's your work?
Rugged get from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You rugged in the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live as a black girl? You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer. You rugged in the ghetto. It's a ruggedity, it's a highness. Misbehaving is her confidence. Olo show is her greatness. Oh Lord of mercy, totally she can't repent to. She don't can't repent to. Everybody now they call it fate to. They call it fate to. Don't get it back again. Around time you go they follow, they do follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer, you rugged the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live? As a bad girl. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer, you rugged the ghetto. It's a ruggedity, it's a highness. Misbehaving is a confidence. Olo show is her greatness. Oh Lord of mercy, totally she can't repent to. She don't can't repent to. Everybody now they call it fate to. They call it fate to. Don't get it back again.
Don't go 1 minute.
1 minute?
Yeah.
Please.
No worry now. Oh, let me. Are you not been eating the other side since yesterday?
I know.
Go. I'll come with seconds.
I'll bring it down.
Yeah.
Wait.
Go. Leave me with the second way. Hey, very cool. Love.
Yeah, honey.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, finally. Oh, beautiful. These are the water. I need to put this.
Water for you.
Oh, wow. Seafood.
Love.
Yeah, honey.
Here's the water.
Okay, that's nice.
That is yo.
We will learn how to go now.
Let's see. So.
Yeah.
It's okay. So can I feed you or
yeah,
know what I'm doing? Come here. Let me feed you.
We will not be well now.
Stop now. Mama. Mama, don't hear. So this thing when you see you passed away, don't tell me before. I didn't tell you. What's did I not tell me before? I didn't tell you. You know say you be smally now. I only have yours to go. You know say you be smally. I always tell you waiting they saw. You know say that they allow somebody when they do something before you advise and you don't understand. And so it be see drink, I small. Just stay small, no worry. After this one, not drink, okay? You live it like a girl talk. Some prayer.
This is a Maroon Weddings production.
You get from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do follow show. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer, you rugged the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live? As a bad girl. You know the ghetto, you the carry caterpillar, you the do business dealer, you rugged the ghetto. It's a ruggedity, it's a highness. Misbehaving is a confidence. Olo show is a greatness. Oh Lord of mercy, totally she can't repent to. She don't can't repent to. Everybody now they call it fate to. They call it fate to. Don't get the body, yeah.
This is a Maroon Rhythms production. This is a Maroon Rhythms production.
Rock get from ghetto. You move around town, you go they follow, they do follow show. In the ghetto, you they carry caterpillar, you they do business dealer. You rugged in the ghetto. Is that the kind of life you want to live? As a bad girl. In the ghetto, you they carry caterpillar, you they do business dealer. You rugged in the ghetto. It's a ruggedity, it's a highness. Misbehaving is a confidence. Olo show is a greatness. Oh Lord of mercy, totally she can't repent to. She don't can repent to. Everybody now they call me fate to. They call me fate to. Don't get it bad, yeah.